I'm super excited to share this amazing product with you all today. It's a total game changer for anyone dealing with excess moisture in their homes or businesses, and I know so many of you out there can relate to that struggle. You know, musty smells and damp air can be really frustrating and even damaging to your property. So I've got a solution that I think you're going to love. The AlorAir dehumidifier is a fantastic device that's designed to remove excess moisture from the air, leaving your space feeling fresh and dry. It's perfect for home and business owners who want to create a comfortable and healthy environment. Now, let's take a closer look at the specs of this incredible device, because I know that's what really matters when you're making a decision about which product to buy. The AlorAir dehumidifier has an impressive 180 ppd capacity, which means it can handle a lot of moisture, and it's also rated for 85 pints at AHM, which is a standard for measuring dehumidifier performance. It's capable of covering a massive 2,300 square feet, making it perfect for large homes or commercial spaces. One of the standout features is the built-in pump, which allows for continuous drainage, so you don't have to worry about emptying a water tank. It's also Wi-Fi enabled, so you can control it remotely using your smartphone, which is super convenient. And with a 6-year warranty, you can have peace of mind knowing you're protected in case anything goes wrong. In terms of real-world use, I've been using this dehumidifier in my own home for a while now, and I can honestly say it's made a huge difference in the air quality. My family and I can breathe easier and feel more comfortable in our own space. I've also noticed a significant reduction in musty smells and dampness, which is a huge relief. I've even used it in my basement, which tends to be a damp and humid area, and it's worked wonders. The dehumidifier is also really easy to use. Just plug it in, set the desired humidity level, and let it do its thing. I've also been impressed with the dehumidifier's energy efficiency. It's designed to use less energy while still providing powerful dehumidification. And with the remote control feature, I can turn it on and off, or adjust the settings from anywhere in the house. This is especially useful when I'm not at home. I can just use my smartphone to turn it on and make sure my home is dry and comfortable when I get back. Overall, I'm really impressed with the AlorAir dehumidifier, and I'd give it a solid 9 out of 10. The only reason I wouldn't give it a 10 is that it can be a bit noisy when it's running, but that's a small trade-off for the benefits it provides. I think it's a great investment for anyone who wants to improve the air quality in their home or business. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient dehumidifier, I would definitely recommend giving the AlorAir dehumidifier a try. If you found this review helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more product reviews and tips on how to make your home and business a better place. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video.